Hello, hi friends. Welcome back to Unbudan Yoga channel, and it's me D Yamunarani, yoga instructor and a natural therapist. Now today we are going to see about the steps to be followed while practicing yoga. Yoga should be done only at the early morning nor in the evening with an empty stomach. Before doing asanas or Surya Namaskaram, first try to do some warm up exercises. Your food intake should be light while practicing yoga. Healthy and easily digestible foods should be taken into consideration. By doing yoga regularly, it may create heat in our body, so we must drink at least 3 liters of water per day. Try to use only comfortable dresses. Only think it should be tight. After finishing your yoga session, it is necessary to do relaxations technique called savasana at least for 10 to 15 minutes because it calms down sympathetic nervous system and reduces your anxiety and nervousness and resettles your body. After doing yoga, you can see many changes like your muscles are well stretched, lungs gets open and elaborated to breathe fully and well stretched for smooth movements. By continuing yoga practice daily, it ensures more flexibility in our body. Each asana should be done by exhale or inhale or by holding the breath. While doing correctly, it ensures proper blood supply to each part of the body. Please do not gulp water immediately after your practice, but drink sip by sip and do not gulp. Please avoid packed oil food and tinned food. Rather, take high nutritious food. Usually, protein rich diet food is necessary, added with vitamins and minerals is really good for health. Eat sprouts, nuts, tofus. It's really very good for our diets. Then fruits intake is also necessary to supply essential micronutrients to your body. While doing yoga, mantras and mudras plays a vital role and produces tremendous changes in our body. Yoga should be done only with the help of yoga mat, just not simply on the floor. And the best time to practice yoga is in the morning gaps. We call traditionally as Brahma Muhurta day between 3:30 to 5 o'clock, but practically this time seems to be very difficult, so fix a perfect time on our own convenient, but best before 7 a.m. It's okay. Before doing yoga, you should complete native calls and your stomach should be empty. Wake up early in the morning and go to bed quickly, then only you will be capable to do yoga because you are not composed to be tired. Going to bed early enables proper focus because when you are rested throughout the night, your body is relaxed and your brain is not functioning so with too many thoughts and processes, so it is very easier for us to practice yoga. It is not at all advisable to do afternoon, because afternoon your lunch it will affect your digestive system, so it is not advisable. By molding your mind with all positive thoughts and positive attitude, and this will bring energy and reflect all your activities throughout the body. So do yoga, stay healthy, be happy. Until then, bye from me. Please like my video, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon too. Until then, it's me. Bye bye.